Okay, the properties of real numbers are the following. Commutative property, the numbers move. Associative property, the parentheses move. Identity, either you're going to multiply by 1 or add 1 depending on whether it's multiplicative identity or additive identity. Inverse, if it's additive inverse, you're going to be adding and subtracting. If it's multiplicative inverse, you're going to be using reciprocals. So one's a fraction and one's not, they're flipped. Distributive property, you'll have an equal sign, and on one side you'll have parentheses, and on the other side they do not have parentheses, they've gotten rid of them. Multiplication property of 0 multiplies by 0. So on these, this is multiplying by 1. So if you're multiplying by 1, that's the identity property, and since it's multiplication, it's the multiplicative identity. If it were a plus sign, if you were adding 0, it would be additive identity. So you got to tell whether it's multiplying or adding by using multiplicative or additive. Okay, so on the next one, if you look in front of the equal sign, I have 8, B, and 3. After the equal sign, I have 8, B, and 3. Those are in the same order, so the numbers did not move. But if you notice the parentheses, it's moving. They were in the front, and now they're in the back. So this is the associative property. And if I wanted to be even more specific, since everything's adding, I can put of addition. The next one, A times 6, 6 times A. The numbers changed orders. So this is commutative. Property. And since it's multiplying, it's of multiplication. The next one, 0 times C, so it's multiplying with 0. So when you're multiplying with 0, it's the multiplication property of 0.